Hello people, what's up? Welcome back. People, we were doing, yes sir, I hope you are done with almost all the chapters people. Technically, you are left with this one last chapter. Yes sir, finally sir. Yes people, very good. That's a very good accomplishment. Before I start this, that is what I want to tell you people. Make sure you revise your syllabus at least 4 times. Yeah, including your first time study. Make sure you are able to revise it 4 times. The book I have given people, the main material itself, the PDF, including all the past questions which I have included. At least in one chapter, I would have added some 5 to 6 questions. I'm telling you a bare minimum. So in your book itself, people, we have added around 90 questions, if I'm not wrong, 90 to 100 questions, taking 5 questions as an average for each chapter. And in addition to that, people, with whatever is a revision notes, and in addition to that, I would have added my own author note as well as questionable points. Wherever it's something which you need deeper understanding, I would have given a cross reference, my own view. I would have added something called as in short. Yeah, if the provision is very big, that provision and as well as the summarized provision. After all that, people, the length of the book is around 570 pages. Yeah. So I believe that's doable. Yeah, for your level. And I believe you were able to understand whatever was taught till now. So do let me know how well you understood. What was your experience? I would love to hear it from you, because as a teacher, I will get a reconfirmation. Reassurances in life is very much important. So if there is anything which you guys want to share, whenever you guys come across somewhere here, ArivuPro or any place, yeah, you guys can come and meet me. I would just love to meet you all. Let's meet and greet. If everything works good, yeah. If at all we are fortunate enough, let us also meet someday as colleagues. Yes, sir. So yes, people. So said that, let us start your last chapter, people. Chapter 5, Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Make sure, people, till now whatever we have done, do revise and come back. Yeah, revision is very, very important, people. And now, by now, you know what is the level of questions being asked. We'll be doing MTPs also. I'll be solving MTPs. In addition to that, what you can do, people, success mantra, write test series wherever is available, write test papers, write and practice. And people, make sure whatever is the institute given questions, MCQs and all, attend that, people, that MCQ booklet, go through that. Make sure MTPs, RTPs and all are covered. From your end, whatever the past attempts, I will try to cover at least like 2-3 papers. Let us see whatever is possible. In addition, what you can do, you can cover all this from your end, past papers, and say for example your MCQ booklet given by the institute. Yeah, do it from your end. Yes, people, that is very, very important. Okay, sir. So people, let us start chapter 5, Arbitration and Conciliation 1996. Sir, arbitration, and why is Rajnikant here? People, என்னடா தலா தலா இங்க என்னடா பண்ணிருக்காங்க டேய்? Yes sir. Sir, what does the law say, people? First of all, let us try to understand what is arbitration and conciliation. Yeah, okay. Now imagine, people, there were two people. These two people, they entered into a commercial contract, a commercial transaction. Yes sir, the commercial transaction, they entered into a contract. Okay sir. Sir, what is this contract? It can be anything. Sir, give us an example. Okay. Sir, let us imagine SS Rajamouli, sir, gave money to, one is Ramcharan, the other person is NTR. Why, sir? To do triple R. Sir, this is a commercial contract. I will book your dates for 2 years. In this 2 years, you guys are not supposed to act in any other movie. This is how generally SS Rajamouli will work. Yes, sir. SS Rajamouli will work. Okay, sir. Now imagine people, there was a contract. Okay. Now, sir, what did Ramcharan do? Ramcharan also got one simultaneous opportunity to do another movie, which is called as Acharya with his father. Now, sir, Ramcharan people, there are two ways he could have done it. One people, of course, all this has happened legally, so this case doesn't arise. Now, whatever we are discussing is what if Ramcharan people, without telling SS Rajamouli, he also went to act in another movie called Acharya without intimating without intimating Rajamouli. But SS Rajamouli had a contract. What is that? For the next 2 years, you are not supposed to do any other movie other than RRR. So, sir, now Ramcharan, without asking SS Rajamouli's permission, he went and he acted in another movie. People, this is called as breach of contract. This is called as breach of contract. Breach means, people, you have broken your promise. Whatever you said you would do, you have not done that. You have broken your promise. Sir, whenever a promise is broke, people, basically in terms of contracts, whenever whatever you said you will do, you have not done it, people, the law says, people, then there is a breach. SS Rajamouli now has a remedy. Remedy means, people, alternative. Sir, what is alternative? People, in short, it is nothing but a solution. Sir, this is what has happened. Now, what to do? So, people, remedy, what does SS Rajamouli have? What is that remedy? People, the remedy is, he has two routes. One, people, go to court. This is also called as a litigation route. This is also called as a litigation route. Go, you need to appeal, whatever is the case, basically this will be civil court. Go and apply, file an application that says, this is what happened, I want remedy. Yes, sir. So you will go and you will fight through court route. Sir, the second route, people, is considered as alternate dispute resolution. Alternate dispute resolution, popularly also called as ADR. What is this, sir? Now, Rajamouli is a knowledgeable person. He thinks, if I go to court, I know what is going to happen. Already there are some lakhs of cases pending. Even mine will add to that. Now, that cases might take ages. That cases might take ages to get the decision. I don't have so much of time. So, what did SS Rajamouli do? People, SS Rajamouli, a wise person, he thought, is there any other way I can get my remedy? I have suffered loss. Is there any other way I can get a remedy? So he thought, is there any other thing? Then he came and asked me, hey Sai, is there any other remedy? This is what has happened. I want a remedy. I said, yes, there is one remedy. What is that? There is something called as alternate dispute resolution. What do you mean by alternate dispute resolution, people? Alternate dispute resolution. People, this is your actual way. Whenever you have any loss, you will go to court. This is your actual way. But apart from actual way, you have an alternate way also. Meaning a second route. So that is called as, see again, here the court also resolves your dispute. There is a fight. They resolve your dispute. People, here also you are resolving dispute, but alternatively. There is a second route. What is that route? What and all we will see. Oh, is it, sir? Sir, is this, do we know about this? Yes, da. How, sir? Even before coming to this chapter, you guys know about this chapter. You know that? Sir, no, sir, we don't know. You seriously know, da? No, sir, we don't know, sir. Hey, how many of you have seen this movie? Yes, sir. Arunachalama? Yes, sir. Or something. Sorry, Petarayudu. Correct, sir? People, in this, what happens? Rajnikant is at Panchayat head. So this you can see in villages also. What happens? Villages, if they have any problem, will they come to court? No. Then people, they will have their Panchayat head. The Panchayat system will be there. People, there will be one person, a zamindar, a big person there. He will listen to your problems and he will give you a solution. Is he a court? Don't you think this is a ADR, alternate dispute resolution? Even without coming to court, your matter is getting sorted, no? Are you getting the point? All of you. Sir, is it, sir? So whatever Rajnikant did is also alternate dispute resolution. Sir, that's all, huh? Yes, people. You guys would have seen such talk shows. I don't know in other languages. In Telugu, I think it is called Rachabanda. In Kannada, it is called as it is Kate Alla Jeevana, Baduku Jataka Bandi. Sir, what are these talk shows? People in these talk shows, they try to settle the disputes. This anchor will be there. Yeah. There will be also certain eminent personalities, some lawyers and all, they would be in the panel. Sir, and whoever has a problem like litigation, domestic matters, dispute of property, family disputes, people, they will come and they will sit in this particular show. Now, this lady will try to give a judgment. Yes, people. Now, what do you think this is? ADR, alternate dispute resolution. Understood, all of you? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Awesome. Now, sir, tell me one thing. Why should a person go to ADR route? What is the even benefit? Sir, court is better. No, sir, why should I come to ADR? People, ADR has its own advantage. Sir, what is that? First one, people, time. Already, people, the courts do not have time to give you. People, it takes ages. If you file case today, the litigations and all will take 3 years, 5 years. People, here maximum time 12 months. The case should be closed. So that's all. Second one, people. In case of arbitration, I mean, whatever this alternate dispute resolution, specifically I'm talking about arbitration, because our discussion, people, will be 80% arbitration, 20% conciliation. Sir, people, once a decision is given, people, there can be no appeal. Meaning, sir, people, here, if a court gives a dispute, now imagine, people, a district court, sessions court gives a decision. You can go to district court. District court gives a decision. You can go to the next court, high court. High court gives you a decision. You can go for an appeal to Supreme Court. People, here, no appeal. Once done, everything is done. That is final. Yes, people. Sir, third one, why? What other advantage I have? People, whenever, imagine, people, chota mota and all forget. People, imagine it's a business transaction. Big business people, that is businessmen, are involved in this particular dispute. People, can they go to their court timings? What if they have a meeting that day? Court is above you. They can't schedule a meeting at your convenience. What will they do, people? They have to go. They don't have a choice. So, people, if it's alternate dispute resolution, you have flexibility. What is flexibility, sir? People, you can have your things at your own will. The parties decide the process. So when to conduct, where to conduct, everything will be done by the parties. Sir, there a judge will sit. Here who will sit? People, here an arbitrator sits. Just understand what and all will come in this chapter so that you will have a fair idea. Correct? Here arbitrator sits. He is equivalent to a judge. Sir, and people, the court depends upon win or lose model. Sir, here, sir, people will come to that. I'll tell you when we are doing in detail, especially in conciliation it comes. But here also I'll tell you, people, there can be win-win situation. It is not that the one party has to lose. Both the parties can also win. Yes, sir. This basically happens in conciliation. But when we are doing, I'll tell you. Yes, sir. Sir, what other is the advantage? People, cost. People, this litigation goes on for 5 years. Imagine people, what is the cost involved? You need to pay to the lawyer, and the time delay. Your right is also delayed for 5 years. No, people, here it is a little cost effective comparatively. I'm not saying it is cheap. This is also expensive only, but comparatively it is cost effective. And time constraints, it's a little, at advantage. Yes, sir. So people and many other points. Yes, sir. Many other points. I'll be writing like award and all. There are many other things. People, all these are advantage for arbitration. Yes, sir. Everything is an advantage for arbitration. So people, this is the reason, alternate dispute resolution is a little predominant in business sector. I'm not saying in a general sector. In business sector, people, there is certain advantages because it happens at flexibility. Sir, where does it happen? People place. This happens in court. No, where does this happen? People at the party's choice. Wherever you want, you can conduct, people. Wherever you want, you can conduct. Yes, people. So it is a party's choice. Wherever they want, they can conduct. Yes, sir, all of you. So, sir, there are many other things also. We'll see what are the essentials, what is to be present, what is not to be present. We'll see once we start. Yes, sir. So, people, this is the intro for your ADR. And these are certain examples. Even before starting your ADR, you guys knew. Correct? All of you. Yes, sir. So, sir. Okay. Yes, people. So let us start your topic. Yes, sir. Let us have this as an intro. Let us start your topic in the next video. Yes, we will.